Hey, what's up everybody? It's Pete. Hope you're having a great Friday. Nice 80-degree day. So I had a box come in. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I feel like you'll probably know what it is by the outside of the box, especially if you're a Miata fan. Let's go find this box. I bet it's on the front porch. Where else would it be? Aw, snap, there it is. Check it out. It's time to unbox this thing. For those of you who don't know, this is a new convertible top for the Mazda Miata. There are a bunch of different options out there, whether the top is made from a canvas material or a vinyl material, whether it has a plastic or glass window, the size of window, there are a lot of different options. I decided to go with a canvas factory style top from Robbins with a zippered window and defroster glass. I wanted to preserve the original look of the car as much as possible. The first thing I noticed pulling this top out of the box was the build quality. The stitching was solid, the material feels nice and durable, really nice quality. Overall, this top feels bulletproof. I've heard this can be pretty tricky, so I'm excited to dive into it and take on this challenge. You can see how just crappy and shitty the old top is right now. We are replacing that. Alright, well that's pretty much it for today. I plan on filming a couple videos, one on the install and one on the removal. The top looks really great, really good quality. I'm glad I went with the canvas. We'll see how it looks when I install it, and hopefully I don't screw it up. I've heard it's really difficult. But that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you got it, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. So thanks for watching, have fun, stay motivated, and we'll see you next time.